For these students of Brooklyn Park's Nature Preschool program, their classroom is outdoors.
We are all about inquiry-based learning, so our kids are hands-on in everything that we do. Some of our day is child-led, some of our day is teacher-led, and we really go off of both the needs and the interests of our students to get them best prepared for kindergarten.
The program is open to 3 through 5-year-olds, and the opportunities for learning in nature are endless.
Maybe they'll do a science experiment, they'll do something on numbers or letters or patterning, but they'll do it in the outdoor environment. It's really good for brain development, physical development. When I see our students the first week of school walk by my window, often they're holding hands and they're walking as a group because they haven't learned to regulate. By the end of the first month of school, the kids already know where they're supposed to be. They can let go of those hands. They're responsible for themselves and for their materials. So we're teaching that responsibility for kids as young as 3 years old.
The Nature Preschool program's first day will be Tuesday, September 2nd. There are morning and afternoon classes offered. And for any more information, go to brooklynpark.org under Recreation and Parks.
Learn more about The Connection at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.